Oh god, this is Mad Vacuum Destruction 900 with your Dirt Devil. He came back from the devil. What happened, Devon? Did this Dirt Devil with feather-like vacuum came back from the devil?
I blew it up when I went to the devil.
Yeah, we went to the devil, then came back out and had the new brand stick, a new motor. We bought this at Walmart. This is for 1 year ago. I'm gonna smash the head out of it. Isaac Flynn, can we use your stick to smash the Dirt Devil vacuum?
We're gonna smash it right now.
Can we use it? Okay.
We're not gonna smash it now.
Okay, we're gonna smash it, but we're gonna roast it. Can we roast it?
Nah.
Okay. And in position. Holy shit!
What?
It was actually. Holy shit! Holy shit! It's actually in.
We got snow in here.
Yeah.
Wait.
Okay.
Wait, I gotta flip it.
We are 11-year-olds. Yeah. Yeah, I think we have to yeah. Wait, I think you have to do this or something. Oh yeah. You have to,
Oh wow.
yeah, that was so easy. Yeah, I got a Bissell vacuum. Got 2 ones, but one wasn't working. Yeah, this is our new year 2014. I don't know why we found it in the dumpster. I think it wasn't working right, so we're gonna smash it.
How did you even cook this?
Here, you
Got it.
Okay. Wait, I think you have to
Yeah.
We're not gonna smash it right now, but yeah, if this vacuum still works,
We will make millions.
yeah, okay. And 3, 2, 1. We're gonna vacuum off some dirt. Holy shit! We're gonna vacuum off some snow. Oh, we are insane people. Don't say that. Holy shit! Oh, we still got some snow in there.
Oh my god! That's because we got picked up a rock.
Yeah. Look at the snow.
No more picking up rocks.
Let's pick up some snow, shall we? Trick Flame? Wait, I got an idea. You can smash it. Wanna smash it?
Right now.
Yeah, we're gonna smash it after when we roast it.
Right? Let it go in.
Yep.
And then.
I'm standing back a little. Playing, man. Whoa. It's very snowy outside, people. Very snowy. We're gonna vacuum on some snow. It's smoking.
No, it's not.
I'm just joking. Hold on. Yeah, it's box.
Bring it here.
Yeah. got nothing. Let's see if it's still. Oh, he ain't smoking. Suck up a lot. No. Oh, it smells like vacuum. Look at vacuum. No. Very long. Popo, there's the police. Psych.
Don't ever do that, dude.
Okay. It's actually in the snow. Zoom out a little so you can see. We're back around some snow and it still fucking works.
It's still sucking it up.
Yeah, I know. That's one clever vacuum. Guess your devil can suck up snow.
Wait, when we're done?
Yeah, hey Devin, can you smell it? Smell it. No, smell the vacuum. Smell it.
It's not smoking.
I smell from here. Here, let me try. Hey Devin, let me try. Let's see how much snow it picked. Come on. Oh! Yeah!
Give me that green one. Give me the green one.
Where?
The little favorite.
Yeah. Let's see how much favor that it can pick up. Holy crap!
There's still some.
I know.
Dude, you got...
Oh, no? Man, if we suck up snow?
Too much.
Yeah, too much. Here, let me try. Let me try vacuum up some stuff.
Okay.
Here, hold the camera.
Vacuum it up. Where? I'm breaking.
Okay, let me vacuum it. Here.
Let me keep breaking.
What's that? Pause it.